Alrighty. Well, we got the market going down a bit today. Well, actually, we're up 0.25%. What am I talking about? Up 0.25%. Oil's at 101.55. What else we got going on? Sorry. Trying to open up some charts here. We got the Hang Seng up 0.5%. Japan's flat. UK's down 1/4. Euro's flat. Germany flat. Australia up 0.13%. Taking a look at the order book here, we got 67 contracts at 29,500. That's the biggest one I see. But all right, let's get it. Oh, actually, I actually made a couple trades already, but let's get this stream started. Well, we're pushing down. I've seen this many times. And H. Do we get a third H? Or do we bounce from here? We got oil pumping up a little bit. It's the 1 minute candle, a little pump here. 20 ticks. And then Q, we're 150 points off the highs. Still up 1/4 for the day though. We got VWAP up at 29,618. We got the 50-day and the 9-day coming down pretty hard. No new headlines. Nothing out of China. Gonna take a quick look at Truth Social here, see if Trump's tweeted anything. Well, apparently Trump's trying to save AM radio in cars. That's hilarious. Other than that, nothing real. Nothing really. What's this? Here we got President Xi and Trump hanging out. China flexing a bit. You got little kids with American flags. Wow. Well, that's a lot of respect there for Mr. Trump. This video's not working for some reason. All right. Well, that's that. Truth Social. Oh, man, we're still dumping down. Let's see if we can get a couple points here. Maybe a push down to 500 would be nice. Gonna let the next candle print. If it prints green, I'll be out of here. I'm gonna put a stop just to maybe right there. Risk 24. Candle turned green. Might have to get out already. That's no bueno. Oh, it says 3 people are watching. Say hello in the chat, if you don't mind. Say hi, how are ya? Ouch. Alright, just gonna get out of that. Probably still gonna go down though. Don't want to risk too much. What else have we got going on? Miranda. Hey, thanks for saying hi. How you doing today? Or tonight. It's nighttime where I am. On the West Coast. What was I going to look at again? Let's check out the marine traffic. See if anything's going on over there. Not really. And this ship's been hasn't updated for 18 hours. Wow. Look at the US dollar, pretty much flat. Hangs up almost 0.5%. Yen futures flat. Japan's down 0.17. The UK 100's down 0.3%. Euro's down 0.12. Germany's down 0.08. Pretty much flat. And Australia's up 0.1%. Essentially flat. Hello, how you? No, thanks for stopping by, buddy. What up? Well, what up with me today is not much. Oh, I'm up 128 bucks. That's what's up. So that's something. Made a couple trades a couple hours ago before I started streaming here. We're gonna try to do another short here. It's not working. Lost 13 bucks on my last short. Gonna risk 17 more. Miranda and Lou, are you guys in any trades? Or just creeping on the market? Creeping around? Oh, alright. Looks like I'm gonna get stopped out here. Alright, that's 2 bad trades in a row. Let's go back to practice. Now I have to get at least 2 winning trades in practice to go back to XFA. That's my rule. I'm going to short it again. This time I'm going to practice. Miranda's just creeping, no doubt. Might be a good time to creep. Well, let's see what's going on tomorrow. Xi meets Trump in Beijing again. Bilateral meetings. I guess that's happening right now. Earnings, we got Cisco. We got retail sales tomorrow. Got a couple of Fed speakers talking. A bunch of Schmid, Hammock, Barr, Williams. Warsh takes over the Fed chair tomorrow as well. Officially. In the evening tomorrow. Got a little bit of this, a little bit of that going on. Patrick, hey, buddy. Shorting while I'm looking long. Man, isn't it funny? Like, what's in your brain and what your finger does? Sometimes they're two different things. But Miranda, where are you watching from? Let me know. I'm always interested in where people are tuning in from. It's always cool to know. And Lou, too. I think you're new here, right? If you're not, my bad. But where are you watching from, bro? Mr. Louie. Arizona. Nice. Okay, there we go. Now we get the push down in the practice account. But typical. Come on. And Lou's from Texas. Man, there's a lot of guys from Texas that come in. Well, not a lot. I'm like a super small channel. There's a few guys from Texas. Look, now we're pushing. After shorting twice, takes me out on this candle, takes me out on this candle, just to push down. God dang markets, eh? Well, you know what? Let's take that $20. China Finance Ministry offers 2-month bills. Protests erupt in Havana, Cuba over power outages. Oh, good luck to the Cubans. They've been struggling for a while. Oil shortages, electricity problems, food shortages. Well, we're still at 0.15% on MNQ for the day, or the session. And oil's up like almost 0.5% too. Lou, GN, good night. You going to sleep, Lou? Bruh. It's the time right now. But thanks for stopping by. Good night. Hopefully you don't have any wild dreams. But if you want some, I heard drinking milk before going to sleep gives you some vivid dreams. Well, I guess it's a watch and see experiment right here. Man, still pumping down. Watch. Okay, I'm going to throw in a short. It's going to wick me out again. What else do we have going on the news? Or even the technicals. Let's take a look at the technicals here. So we got the VWAP coming down, which is different from the VWAP. Got the 20-day EMA, 90 EMA. 90 EMA is trying to flatten out here. 50 EMA is coming down. Oh yeah, typical. Soon as I get in, get a bunch of weird wicks, and now we're gonna just pump. The practice account is just way easier. Patrick, I think once people start realizing where the climate crisis got its roots from, everyone is a guinea is gonna say, "Wait a minute! Oh, look at this freaking God! I want to add one more. Wait a minute! I don't trust those people." And start pumping oil while growing and raising food. There we go. That's a nice candle. Let's see if we get a push down here. Patrick, I think the people don't even matter. Doesn't even matter about the people. Politicians don't care about peoples, bro. When was the last time a politician cared about people? It's about filling the pockets of the bureaucrats. That's why we work and pay taxes, buddy. Where does our tax dollar go? That's the real question. Paying salaries to run the government. A couple million go missing here, a couple million go missing there, over budget here. When was the last time you heard something's under budget? Alright, let's get this push down here. I want to see 500s. Test a 508 at least. 510 area. Let's just get out of one. Because I'm not making the best decisions right now. I like the 9-day coming down pretty good. 50 days coming down. DJT's World Tour in 2017. That's when they cared. I think we need to get rid of career politicians. That's the one thing I liked about Trump. He's not a career politician, but he has become one. In a way. But politics shouldn't be a career. It should just be like, someone that actually cares, gets into power. Now you got guys learning politics in university just to become a politician. Like, come on, bro. Could you imagine the parents that send their kids to school to be politicians? So you're going to grow up to be a politician one day, son. It's like, no, Dad, I want to be a doctor. It's like, nah, bro. Got to be in politics. That's where the money's at. You want to be the next Nancy Pelosi. Billionaire Pelosi. Patrick, what are Q posts? I don't even know what that is. I'm out of touch. We're getting some headlines here. What is this here? Month over month. Yeah, they're talking about like a rate hikes nowadays. They're not even talking about rate cuts. They're talking about hiking the interest rates. That's going to destroy real estate, which is a big part of America, Canada, and probably a bunch of other countries. It's going to make everyone underwater. Someone buys like $1 million house. A couple years later, it's only worth like 700,000. Now you're underwater on a mortgage. Patrick, long story, but we'll get there slowly but surely. No doubt. Well, tell me your story, bro. You're blue. Share a link or something that we can read. Show me something interesting. I like conspiracy theories, dude. Funny thing is, what was a conspiracy theory a couple years ago is everything. It's all true now. All right, we're getting out of that. Oh, I didn't even get out of it. We'll take $20. You know what? That's enough to get a sandwich, a soup, and maybe like a water bottle. Angia, hey, bud. Thanks for coming in. I can always count on Angia to say hi at least. Are you in any positions, Angia? We're going to push down. I was looking at 510. This is where I should take profit. You know what? I'm just going to take it. Now I would like to see a pop up to 29,550 to short again. Just take out all these weak players. Let's take a look at the book map. Nothing much going on. There's 60 contracts at 29,500. Japan stock market is down a quarter. UK is down a quarter. Oh man. Euro index is down 0.12. Germany's down 0.14. And Australia's flat. Man, I'm getting some heartburn right now. Jeez. Oh, you know, you're going to have to give me a second here. Oh, man, this heartburn's killing me right now. Well, you know what? If we get up to 200 subscribers today, we're going to give out some cold, hard cash. So call your uncles, call your cousins, call your sisters, call your brothers. Subscribe. Let's get this up to 200. Someone's getting some cold, hard cash. Nothing better than some cold, hard cash. I put the link into the Discord to read them with the answer key. Let me take a look at that. Just give me 2 minutes. All right, I guess that was a good exit. That's for sure. What a pump. We're at the 550s where I wanted a short, but this is a pretty strong push up. Patrick takes on late night showers. Nice. Make sure you post that in the Discord. Nah, just kidding. We don't swing that way over here. What's your link here at the in the Discord here? Latest from QAnon. Oh, QAnon. Yeah, I ain't gonna get into this tonight. All right, we're pushing up. I wanted a short here. You know what? Let's just get into a practice. Throwing a short, test it out. Test out the theory. The thinking was we were gonna take out these guys. We already took them out. Now are we gonna take out all these guys over here? Oil not moving too much. Bank of Japan board member convinced rate hike needed. Man, they're bringing rate hikes into the situation. That's the only thing that's going to bring down this market. I think the market's too high. They need an excuse to bring it down. Might as well be rate hikes. What's just 12 people are watching? That's awesome. Coming to the chats. Lou, where you at? Oh, Lou went to sleep. Miranda, what are you doing? How's Arizona tonight? Arizona's probably always shorts weather anyways. You don't even care. Probably pumping the AC at nighttime too. Will anyone catch in any of the playoffs? I'm missing it all. Miranda, taking a walk. It's hot out. Yeah, no doubt. Lucky you. Well, I can't complain actually. Last 2 weeks in Vancouver has been very nice. Got rain today though. But it's nice to get. Nice cool day today. Get to put on the hoodie. Miranda, what are you thinking? Are we going to reach 30,000 this week or what on the NQ? Well, actually, let's start with what do you trade, Miranda? You an ES trader? Gold? Oil? Something else? I want to see a breakdown down to at least like 480s from here. That's what I'm kind of looking at. But we got a nice strong push up. I mean, we can go higher for sure. No reason we don't at least go near VWAP, which is at 29,611 area. Yeah. Oh, Miranda's trade mostly trades options. Nice. You're just getting into futures. Interesting. Are you trading in a prop firm or you're trading your own money? And you're trading you're trading ES minis and NQ minis or micros, the MES and MNQ. I like trading the micros. Gives me a chance to get out or add. Oh, you trade both? And you're trading prop? Nice. Depends on your confidence. I usually just stick to micros. I'm a macro trader. Taiwan government spokesperson. The U.S. has repeatedly confirmed its strong backing for Taiwan. Ukraine, Iran, Taiwan. That's the major conflicts that are, well, actually, Taiwan hasn't started yet, but is that Taiwan going to be the next Iran situation or something? We'll see. Take a quick look at the Euro Asia markets. Hang Seng is up 0.34%. Japan's down 0.1. UK is down a quarter. Euro's down 0.09. Germany's down 0.1. Australia's up 0.1. Nothing big there. I mean, Hang Seng's up 0.3, a third of a percent. It's not bad. Pretty much what MNQ's doing. Up a quarter. Oil's up 0.5%. Man, it says 14 people are watching. That's awesome for me. Like and subscribe, guys. If we get up to 200 today, we're going to give out some cash. Straight cash. No prop firms, no nothing. Just cash out of my pocket into your pocket. I just started streaming like a month ago, so I'm still trying to figure it out. Eventually we'll have a camera set up, better audio, all that fun stuff. I'll find a way to be more entertaining. My wife's like, no one wants to listen to you, bro. I'm like, better than sitting here talking to myself. Yeah, Miranda, gotta start somewhere, right? Then at the end of the day, I'm fine with this, like 10 people watching. As long as the people come into the comment section and start conversations. Otherwise, it's brutal, like just talking to yourself for an hour. Blabbing on. There's only so much you can say about the market, I mean. Alright, we got the 9-day coming up a bit. It's kind of curling. We got the 50-day and the 9-day cross. VWAP, we're still below VWAP. $130 points from all-time highs. What else can you really say? The order book's thin. Super thin, actually. Actually, I haven't seen it as thin. Might be gearing up for something. There's like 6 contracts, 5 contracts, 7 contracts. There's like nothing. The biggest order I see is 29,500, and there's a 66 contract order on the NQ. And we're about 56 points away from that. Well, Aaron Trades is trading today too. Yeah, streaming. That's cool. He's a nice guy. Well, 14 people watching. Oh, Lone Wolf in the house. Let's go. Finally. Where you been, buddy? Been streaming for 37 minutes. Couldn't even show up. 37 minutes late, Lone Wolf. Now you will be punished. Oh, you've been creeping, bro. You're hiding and creeping around. That's okay. I get it. Still no G. I love you. Nothing but love for you, buddy. All the blue guys, we're going to have a meetup one day. Oh, Lone Wolf. Yeah, you're on vacation, right? Yeah, you were talking about that yesterday. Sorry, I completely forgot. Well, have a good vacation, bro. Congratulations. Not everyone can go on vacation, you know? My parents never will go on vacation. Like once every 10 years, they'll go on vacation. And you gotta force them. It's like, dude, just go. I sent my mom and dad to New Zealand this year. They didn't want to go at all. They're like, nah. I had to help them pack their bags, drop them off at the airport. Actually, my wife dropped them off. But I had to push them. I'm like, just go, dude. You guys are old as... You know what? Have a vacation, bro. Well, luckily, this is a practice account because we're still pushing up. All right, let's get out of that trade. That's invalidated. I wanted to short in the 50s, but we're still going up. All right, we need to get at least 2 practice account trades positive to get back into the XFA. Lone Wolf's got some new indicators. Oh, which ones? On TradingView? Let me know. Let me check them out too. Don't tell me it's RSI or Bollinger Bands. Cause that ain't new, bro. All right, we're still pushing up. Let's put in a long here. 4 contracts, micro, long. Let's see if we push up to at least the 80s. But Lone Wolf, we got a new viewer, Miranda. She came in. I'm assuming she's a she. I can't really see the monitor's too far away from me. But Miranda came in. Really appreciate that. That's amazing. She's in Arizona enjoying the weather. Miranda Yamashi. Sorry. You never know nowadays, Miranda. For all we know, you might be a they. It's like, how dare you? I'm they. Oh, shoot. Sorry. Sorry, they. Alright, as soon as we get along, now we get a red candle. Of course. Get out of here. We got the 50-day kind of trying to curl up here. Maybe, are we going to go bullish again? That'd be wild. We had Micron go up 4.8% today. Gorilla Glass, Corning's 4.7%. ASML 4%. Google up 4%. Tesla up almost 3%. Eli Lilly up 2.6%. Nvidia was up 2.3% today. Meta up 2.26%. Dell. That's the play. Remember, Trump said buy a Dell. Bought a couple shares of Dell when he said that. But since then, it's been down, so I don't know. I think my average is like 250 or something. Brutal. Going to post a chart as soon as I delete the account info? What are you talking about, Lone Wolf? What kind of shady stuff are you doing? Oh, I get it. Oh, okay. I see what you're saying. I get it. My bad. I was thinking something totally different. I thought you were going to hack me or something. KP Trade. Hey, buddy. New homie in the chat. Yeah, let's go. 15-minute inversion. So you're looking at the 15-minute chart, I guess? Or... So you're looking at this like a reversal pattern, I guess. Something like that. Maybe a V-shaped recovery on the 15-minute. Yeah, let's go. We got this 9-day to deal with. If we could blast past that, we can at least test VWAP. Oh, that could be an interesting play, bro. But KP, what up? All new people in the chat get a what up. KP, you have to tell me where you're watching from. Because that's all I care about. Where you from? I'm just waiting for the first guy to watch me from North Korea. Warren, hey buddy. Thanks for coming in again. Love you, bro. Don't call me friend, just call me brother. Brother from another mother. From another mother or another father, who knows? Okay, let's see here. Let's look at what Lone Wolf. Oh man, let's look at Lone Wolf's chart here. Lone Wolf, you don't mind me sharing your chart on the screen, right? I don't think you do. I ain't even gonna ask you. I'm just gonna put it up. Who cares? Who cares what Lone Wolf thinks? Alright, here we got Lone Wolf's chart. Let's see if we can explain this. What do we got down here? The delta? Okay, we got some delta down here. Got some volume down here. We need Lone Wolf to explain these red and green and yellow. What's going on there? Is that some Fibonacci stuff or what? Warren, thanks for the live, bro. Thank you for commenting, buddy. Who cares about the live? It's all about the people in the chat. Love you, man. Oh, we got a new buddy here. Slam Kowalski. Slamming it. And he's calling me son. Slam? You don't even know how old I am. You could probably be my son, Slam. But welcome. Where are you watching from, Slam? And what are you trading? Let me know. Let me know so I know what to say. Slamkowski. Slamkowski. You like to ski or is that just your name? Slamkowski. It's a cool name. Slamkowski. All right. We got Slamkowski over here correcting my pronunciation, which I love. And let me know, where you watching from? Let me guess first. New York. No. New Jersey. Oh, you already told me Michigan. Oh, okay. We could have played hot and cold for a little bit, but all right. All right there. Well, let's see. Let me guess what you're trading. Gold and silver. Because you got the ski in the back of your name. Just started trading NQ like 3 months ago. Okay. Slumkowski's trading NQ, buddy. NQ or MNQ? Or either or. Haven't tried gold yet. Oh, yeah. MNQ, yeah. All right. Phew, I started sweating. Are you trading NQ, bro? You must have lots of money. It's not an easy, not an easy instrument to trade, that's for sure. All right, what this long's working out. Too bad it's on a practice account. Up $69. Let's go. KP trade in the house too. Nice, bro. What up? God. As soon as you start talking about gold, I start sneezing, buddy. I'm allergic to that. Looks like I might have my take profit here. Let's see. It might go higher. Got oil a little bit, pushing down a bit. Oh, man. Sneezing like crazy. Gold's pumping? Let's see. Let's check out gold. I used to trade gold a little bit. A couple months ago. I stopped trading it though. Oh yeah, gold. What a move. The gold's easy too. It likes to make that. This like, like a big volume wick. It gives you the chance to get that reversal. From that wick to where we are now. 420 ticks. Wow. Almost a percent up. Kowski's making $900. Oh, then he got greedy and lost 300. Oh, you're up 600. No, whatever. That's awesome. You're up $600 in one day. Let's go, buddy. $600 in a day. That's some great money, man. Pretty sure 99% of the people out there in the world would do anything for that. $600, beautiful, good trade. Well, let's not give up the 600 though. Let's keep the 600 for the day. Lone Wolf, you posted another chart, but you had to explain your first chart. You gotta explain, bro. We're trying to learn from the wolf. All right, there you go. We got a little profit target. Okay, how many we got? Got 2 positive trades in a practice account. I want 1 more to go back into the XFA. Oh, you did, Lone Wolf? Oh man, I wasn't paying attention. Sorry, man. Yeah, we'll take a look at the other chart here. Oh, hold on, I just need to check. Let's just check the order book first. Yeah, dead. Order book thin as, I don't even know. What's really thin? I don't even know. A pancake or something? But I like fluffy pancakes. So I don't know. Thin as whatever's really thin. Slam came up. Ah, that's amazing. And Warren came in. Beautiful. Miranda. Appreciate you. That's amazing. I don't know where Diego went. Lou stopped by. It says 13 people are watching, man. That's awesome. Loving it. Lone Wolf, where's your chart here? Okay, let me take a look at it. Oh, it's a more even complicated chart. Alright, we got to get into that in a bit here. But we're still rolling up. Let's try another long here. If we get another positive trade, we're going to get into the XFAs here and go all in. Blow it. Or we winning it. Do you trade New York? Slamkowski, buddy. Of course. Of course we trade New York. I live in the West Coast, so it's 9:38 p.m. here. But to be fair, my eye's always on the market. I don't care what time of day it is, but yes, definitely I trade New York. But I got kids, so the morning's kind of wild for me, so I try to get up early before they do. But I'm getting kind of lazy, so it's not as easy. But I definitely try to catch the New York Open, trade the entire New York session. I just started streaming like a month ago, so I don't have the schedule for streaming. But my schedule for trading is 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, or 5.5, 6 days, or whatever. Count Sunday too, I guess. Why not trail? I'm only up $16, but I like trailing for sure. Slam trailing is my jam. I love trailing. But since I'm only in one and it's a practice account, I'm just gonna let it roll. Oh, on the last trade. Same reason. Just on a practice account, I want to get like 2-3 good trades on a practice account to get into XFA. Just so I know I'm kind of reading the market properly. What do you mean paper money? I didn't say paper. I said practice. So this is just a practice account. I'm not making it like my funded accounts. Like these are my cash accounts. But like this account, I don't take any profits from this. So call it a paper trading account, practice account, whatever you want to call it. But any money I make off this, I don't get to keep. But I trade my practice accounts typically how I would trade my money accounts. If that makes sense. If it doesn't, we can get into it. Or maybe Lone Wolf can help me out and explain. Or Warren Jr. Where'd you go, Warren? You said what's up and you never came back. Come on, bro. Alright, give me a second here. Let me grab a drink. Alrighty here. Sorry about that. OpenAI taking measures to safeguard the process, certifying our Mac OS applications. Well, we're keep pushing up here. Let's trail it a bit. Maybe a little zone of resistance up here. We blast through that. Then we test VWAP. See how that goes. Lone Wolf. Putting in orders, going to sleep, waking up negative. 2 days in a row. Come on, Lone Wolf. You know what? That's not too bad, though. 6,300. You know, it is what it is. Yeah, the book's thin now. Getting a push back here. Oh, we're pushing back pretty strong here. Let's see. How low we gonna go? Okay, Lone Wolf, let's look at your chart here. Sorry, I forgot. Okay, what do you got here? The volume weighted average, I guess, right here on the left. Not sure what these numbers are here. What's that? So you got some SMAs, some HL high and lows, I guess, and order blocks. Okay, these are order blocks. Okay, it's a nice chart. Be nice if the background was more black. Easier on the eyes. I don't know how people trade with the white charts. I never trusted a white chart trader in my life. Iran president, Rossi. We can't wait forever, but no need for June or July deadline. Okay. Well, I think we got one subscriber today, so we're definitely not getting up to 200. Japan's kind of dumping. We're down 0.5% on Japan. Japan be going down. Euro index going down. Germany going down. Germany's pretty much still flat though. UK's down 1/4. The dollar's flat. The numbers are at the bottom. Oh man, I cut the Discord. I suck with Discord. Numbers on the bottom. These ones right here. Go to the far right. It shows what they are by volume, cell volume, delta, and cumulative delta. Some CVD and delta stuff going on. Okay. Oh, this is delta? How does that work? I don't get it. these numbers are delta. So the bottom is like 8,000 delta, 8,500, 85, 84. All right. How far can I go, bro? I'm to the right. Can't go any right. I'm right at the right. This is the furthest right, bro. Oh, the labels. Open, low. What's that, settlement? And why is this candle purple? Explain that. I've never trusted a purple candle in my life. Buy volume, sell volume. Okay, oh, okay. That's CVD stuff. All right. It's delta info. I get it. Or maybe I don't get it. Hope I got it. We're talking about delta, right? Oh no, you got delta down here. What am I talking about? Delta's down here. No, all I see is the low and open. That's all I see here. Am I missing something, Lone Wolf? Let me know. We got the 9-day and the 50-day about to cross again. We've had a lot of crosses in the last couple of days. And we've seen some moves. Probably not the best time to get in, that's for sure. We've had a nice push up. Nice V recovery. Little bit of rejection here. Do we see something like this? Maybe a bull trap. Let's see. What's the new indicator that you've been looking at, Lone Wolf? Let me pop that back up. My bad. I get this is the delta. And you're telling me to look at the where the price is, and then I have these labels here. We got a low and a open. And a previous day high here. And previous day settlement. It's pretty much all we're looking at, right? And we got the VR, the volume weighted average, whatever, POC, I guess. Is that even POC? Is this POC? Oh, am I missing something here? Now I got two people telling me. Like, what am I? Am I brain dead here? Ah, these labels, right? Like this open label. So where this is the price right here. And these are the labels. Am I tripping out? Or like, what's going on? Yeah, I'm not getting it, guys. I'm totally confused. Now I got Lone Wolf and algorithm algorithmic. Man, I can't even say that word. Algorithmic trading solutions. Thanks for stopping by, bro. I appreciate that. You saw me struggling. You're trying to help me out. That's a beautiful thing. Let me know where you're watching from. Then I'll see. Then I'll know if you're a real one. And if you're from North Korea, that'd be amazing. All right, now we're pushing down. All right, let's try a short here. If we get another positive trade, we're moving to the XFA, guys. I want to see at least a push down to 550s. Get like 10 points. Oh. Bruh. You're looking at... Oh, okay, I get it. Okay, my bad, guys. My bad. I got totally confused. I didn't see that. It was like grayed out. Buy volume, sell volume, delta, CBD. Okay. Sorry, guys. Exactly, bruh. Algorithmic. Man, that's a hard word to say. Algorithmic. Algorithmic. He just came in to thug me out. Miranda, thanks for streaming. I'll catch you another time. Well, hopefully you subscribed. It looks like only one person subscribed, and we got a couple of new people in the chat, so please subscribe. Miranda, you're already subscribed. Beautiful. Love you. Appreciate it. We're trying to get the 200 subscribers. I'm trying to give something away to the homies. Like a Lone Wolf. He's an OG. Man, he's the only OG that came by. Where's the other OGs? Patrick came by. Nice. Hopefully Miranda becomes an OG too. Okay. So this trade ain't working out. Oil's going up though. Like, come on. Look at that push on oil. Well, we got 5 likes, guys. That's amazing. Thank you, Miranda. Have a very good night. Look, oil's pumping. Why is NQ pumping? Because I'm in a paper account long, probably. Trump arrives at the Temple of Heaven. What's the daytime in China? Should be some video here. Let's see if we can if there's anything being broadcasted here. Give me a second. Is that the Temple of Heaven? It is Trump showing up. Alright, well, let's put the Temple of Heaven here. See if Trump shows up. Does some cool stuff. Miranda, I appreciate you. Samkowski. You a OG too now. You're becoming an OG. Helping me out. And Lone Wolf is just harassing me right now. It's like, brah. He's sending me images of like circling things like I'm his grandpa or something. Come on, bro. Look what Lone Wolf sent me. Oh, you took that out? Oh, it's gone now. He literally circled and put an arrow for me to understand the chart. That's hilarious. Ukraine deputy PM, Russian strikes target ports in Odessa. Man, the Ukraine-Russia stuff needs to stop. All our tax dollars are going to Ukraine. Like, stop it already. Well, still 8 people watching. That's cool, man. That's amazing for me. I think there's a couple of people streaming right now. Omnius Trades. Omnius has a cool channel, but doesn't seem like they trade much. They just keep like chatting. Oh, there's Trump, guys. Look, Trump's in the house. Look at him. Alright, we're pushing up now. Let's get out. Trump gets on video. Trump, the market pops. There's no real audio. Once some audio kicks in, I'll put it on. Sure, gotta figure out how to do that first. You know what? Let's figure out that right now. How do I do that? I think the audio's in there. Alright, we got Trump live, buddy. Hanging out in China. Look at him. Hope he doesn't stumble or something. Yeah, Patrick, that's how it usually is, right? As soon as you get out, it goes your way. All right, let's see what these guys have to say. Let's see if it moves the market. This is live right now. But both of these guys are like, yo, you go this way, you go this way. Yeah, you stand here. Ah, we'll stand here.
How are your talks, sir?
We're running the world here. These two guys are running the world, guys. Look at these guys.
Place. Incredible. China is beautiful.
Did you talk about Taiwan, Mr. President?
Alright, we're gonna let you guys talk. No real audio coming in though.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Mr. President, did you talk about Taiwan?
Oh, someone said, oh, hey, can we talk about Taiwan? He just ran away. Let's see what happens here. Let's see if Trump brings in any news. So I'm gonna mute myself.
Yep, ready?
Shall we stand up?
I'll let this audio play out.
Thank you.
No, I can
We're good to We're moving slowly.
Although
Everybody
it's a
going?
Temple of Heaven. guys.
Everybody? Where to?
Let this play out. Temple of Heaven in China. What a name. It's a beautiful name. I don't think it'll take too long. They'll check it out. Maybe talk to the press. Or maybe they won't.
All the way inside? Okay, thank you.
Check out the order book. That's flat. The 75 oil contract's at 29,500. Alright, let me get some water. And I'm gonna let this play out here. We got Trump and Xi at the Temple of Heaven.
In a great box or not.
No.
希望受哪位老师的架子？
他们都不知道，只有我和他们联盟走完再说，就靠上个回一遍联播，赶紧叫我。
If they go on, people go, follow me on. We need to see you leave guys. If you we need to watch you leave.
We can leave the gate. 他不走，你在，他要看着我们走。
I'm not leaving. Making sure that they're leaving. I'm not leaving. I'm just watching. No, that's fine. They're leaving. We just need to make sure that they go.
Guys, I'm gonna flag this one more time. You have more cameras inside than what we agreed to. There's more in your official delegation than we agreed to. I don't care what they are. I don't care what they are. You have more than we do. And we are asking for that position out there to capture the president walking out of the Temple of Harvest. You have a press pen we can go to, one camera.
No time. The security won't allow you.
There's plenty
Plenty
of
of time
time.
is right there.
Is that you or me? Okay.
要去那拍他们两个领导走出来那个台上。
It'll be me.
I know.
Okay, okay. I didn't. I wasn't sure.
I mean, we.
No, I'm cool. I'm ready. Just like, so just.
拍这个场景就有他们随身的记者拍。
This camera right here. He's ready to go. He will run. He will be in position. He will be by himself with one of you escorting.
Still less than what you guys have for cameras. Keep that in mind.
怎么了？他说什么？
The equal numbers is not equal. So our camera should be outside. There's plenty of time for him to get out there.
And he will run to the motorcade. He will be whatever you tell him to do. He will do. But we are missing history happening out there because you have us locked in this room.
不行，要不就提前跟我们说。现在我们新闻部没有，现在协调不了。
以前我们说你应该是对等于每天安排。
We told you we wanted you this yesterday when we were here. I flagged it for you again an hour ago when we got
我
here.
们上面的人是不对等的
And
吗
we told you
谁
we
number
wanted
is
this
nine
photo.
谁去？
No, I wanted to go right where we were to catch the two presidents walking out of the Temple of
他
Harvest.
去哪？
This guy right here.
可以去有人，那不行。
Well, I guess nothing going on here. Put the audio back on. Now we're dumping. Beautiful. Patrick wants to see a retest of the lows. Well, I'm in no trade right now. Alright, we're still pushing down. Let's see if we can make a short workout here. Got the 9-day rolling over pretty hard. Well, the live stream for the Trump thing just died. I don't know what's up with that. Oh, yeah, perfect. As soon as I get on a short, look at that bounce. Well, luckily we're in a practice ground, right? Trying to find a stream here with Trump talking, but right now just not much going on. Well, if Trump and G get in, start talking, we'll put the audio on. $5.53 short. All right, I think they're gonna actually talk here. Let's put the audio on. Man, the press are thugging each other out right now. Like, you've been terrible hosts. Where's the freaking audio?
But we should be in advance by now.
Yeah, we should have already been.
他们现在只是想乘车是吧？
对，他们要跟车队走。
乘车先等一下，领导这边还有活动，你告诉他，你告诉他，你说领导这边还有活动，
说后面还有谈一下，
事情带着他，对他们能放心。
只要他出了这个圈儿，然后就可以带他们走。我知道，后边还要谈话呢。I know， 跟着后边。
Sure they want to get out of the sun too.
现在你跟他说，说后面还有大概10分钟的活动。
There's also still 4 minutes of activity.
Tell Brandon shoot video.
No, I appreciate
10 minutes, not 4 minutes. 10 minutes.
it. We do not have 10 more minutes. This whole stop is only 15.
They need to.
We're missing it. Yep.
Private photos.
不是，
To make sure to do so, we are currently not being allowed out of the press hold by Chinese security. We have an agent with us, and we are not being allowed to load the motorcade.
Yes, with the president. They're at.
We are in the motorcade, the president's motorcade. Rosa, he's hearing this, right?
Yeah. 怎么会呢？记者前战车怎么会跟他们总统车队在一起呢？
他们车队拼在一起了。
走不了，
会拼在一起呢？
Rachel, you know.
对你给他解释，
他们已经那个
走不了，哎，
他们车队移到了西门，跟他们车队在一起了。
走不了，董事长现在董事长在那站着呢，我怎么跟他走？
不可能出事的。你再确认一下。
对，你确认一下。
他就算调过来了，也不可能让他们这次他不去。所以说我也不知道他们。
没人调，没人调，他们车就在东门，你跟他说，我们正在确认他。
If we don't leave at the motorcade, we're stuck here forever. So just a minute.
We're checking where your vehicle.
没事，你告诉
We're in
他
the
跟不上
south,
我，我
our
再给他送
motorcade
回去。
vehicles are at the south gate.
不刚那个外方记者车调过来跟他们总统车队放在一块儿了吗？
Are we being detained?
你问一下，你帮忙问一下。
Okay.
主要是啥？现在外方疫情记者说他们车已经调过来跟他们总统车队一起，他们要出去上车。你帮忙问一下，不管，你问一下，你问他一点。你让八局听一下电话。
你能互动，你能你问问，媒体车在哪？
哎，是谁？你好，你好，是谁让把外方那个？
你问问
是谁让把他们的车调回来的？记者车调回来的？是他们计划的吗？还是外方要求？
Instantaneously, or does
He's filing to his desk and he's got slash sergeant.
那一会儿他们外方记者怎么得知啊？你们现在计划是让他们的车跟他们领导同去走吗？那他们一群记者都要过去登车。
你让他们记者车等着他们，就在东门。
现在他们记者车能在那边等着吗？
就在这个门，
不要跟着他们走。
No, but I just didn't know if they if they just gave everybody.
对呀，他现在怎么跟啊？跟不了呀。不是，
你有没有讲？你跟他们说，你用不用？你现在给他们讲，他们的记者车不会走。你让他们记者车别走，等着他们。你现在给他说。
Quick sliders, make sure the caption's right.
你让他们记者车在那等着吧。
等着，你跟他说，你跟他们说，我现在紧张。好，到时候路线会有时间。
Yeah, we leave with the president. It's not a separate meeting. Like we leave here by ourselves, but we're actually going with the president. These are all the president. Why? We're in the package with him. We go back to the hotel itself.
Your motorcade will wait
is down there where they're walking.
will not join the
You don't get to make that decision.
Our president is not going to leave until
Our
they're
security
involved.
just told us your motorcade will wait you outside the east gate.
Our motorcade is the president's.
No,
We only leave with the president.
This is unbelievable.
Is that what they're missing?
Well, he is our security, and he's security that they're not.
Different press teams.
Had to explain to them 8 different ways.
Stage press.
怎么说？
他说他们的车队不会在那儿等的。
I mean, what is it going to take to get us out of here? I mean, there's like no one left.
If you were arriving with sheet and we
你告诉他，就是他们总统下去，我们总书记还在那儿呢，还要上车。他们现在是这么多人出不去。你跟他说呀。 你看他给他说，给他说，给他说。
No, it's not. We're in the motorcade with the president.
Hey, I'm just
Do you not understand
they're
that?
where they're supposed to be.
What's not clicking?
Just like you travel with your president.
Okay, so call Kyle. Okay? Okay. Okay, all right, we'll call him. Okay, Georgia, call him.
他们车是8局在调了吗？
他们能等吗？
不是他为啥不坐
以前我们这边的死车叫过，以前我们这边的死车叫过。我得让我给他们，
手来掉到这边来。
He's tracking, we're helping him. Robbie is tracking. Not a cop.
Perfect. Yeah, we're trying to get out of here.
Tell him that we're being held.
We're being held. So. Yeah, he's moving to the cars right now.
Bro.
Our cars are in the motorcade. You leave with the motorcade?
No cars will wait there.
They're not going to wait. We have to leave with them. If there's anyone on the ground, you could tell.
What's the
Let's go.
他们啥时候可以走？
What are we waiting on,
他
guys?
们啥时候可以走？我就问他们，他们啥时候？
从这走了，他们可以走。
We are not separate. We are
你跟他说，
together
我们
with the president.
主席走了，他们可以走。
What? Sorry. Do you understand that we are in the motorcade with the president?
Shoemaker to Tiso, we are
Okay, but this is
So that
no.
the main
No.
concern
He
now
doesn't-
is that the security of our side do not allow you, sir, leave
Okay,
this.
they are literally waiting.
We gotta move. We gotta go, guys. Okay. Okay, no, we gotta go. We gotta go. Go. We gotta go. We gotta move. We gotta go. Let's go. We're going.
Look at this. That is our head of security.
Guys. Let's go. He's right.
We have to go.
We gotta go. Go.
Have to go.
We are going.
Unbelievably.
U.S. press, we are going.
We would never go.
We are going. We are going. Rachel, make sure you're in this. Be gentle, but we are going. Don't run over anybody. Do not do what they did to us.
They're going so much shooting, you think helps. I think so. Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, that's my holding spot or whatever.
Once they're here, you move back under the camera, right?
I'm going under the
Okay,
camera.
cool.
Under the camera. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, shoot, they're both
I mean, it's small though. Yeah, just a little bit. I think so. There's a camera there. Now they're moving. Okay. All right, there we go. He's walking towards
Here we go.
Yeah, that's my holding spot or whatever.
Once they're here, you move back under the camera, right?
I'm going under the
Okay,
camera.
cool.
Under the camera. Yeah.
Once they're here, you move back under the camera, right?
I'm going under
Okay,
the camera.
cool.
Under the camera. Yeah. Yeah.
Oh shoot, they're both.
I mean, it's small though. Yeah, just a little bit. I think so. There's a camera there. Now we're moving. All right, here we go. He's walking towards
Here we go.
Great. Great place. Incredible. China's beautiful.
特朗普总统说谈得很好。Did you talk about Taiwan, Mr. President?
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Mr. President, did you talk about Taiwan?
Thank you, press. Thank you, press. Thank you, press.
你们下来再说。去，走。车记者。
撤，我们先撤，赶紧。我们赶紧先撤。快，别拍了，赶紧撤。Sir? Yep. Ready? Up. Oh, okay. Thank you. Thank you.
We're good.
Everybody going?
Everybody.
Yeah. Where to?
Let me know if it's better now.
总统先生在做一个致辞。
What the heck?
尊敬的特朗普总统先生，很高兴啊，同你在北京见面。这是你时隔9年再次访华，我们的会面现在可以说是举世瞩目。当前100年变局加速演进，国际形势是变乱交织。能不能着眼两国人民的福祉和人类前途命运，共同开创两国关系的美好未来？这些可以说是历史之问、世界之问、人民之问，也是我同您作为大国领导人需要共同书写。能不能着眼两国人民的福祉和人类前途命运，共同开创两国关系的美好未来？ 这些可以说是历史之问、世界之问、人民之问，也是我同您作为大国领导人需要共同书写的时代答卷。今年是美国独立250周年，我向你和美国人民表示祝贺。我始终认为，中美之间的共同利益大于分歧，中美各自成功是彼此的机遇，中美关系稳定是世界的利好。双方合则两利，斗则俱伤，应当做伙伴，而不是对手。领好航度，掌好舵，让2026年成为中美关系继往开来的历史性、标志性年份。我就先说这么多。
Oh, that was weird. Alright. Nothing to do but long here. Well, that's long, baby. Going all in.
We're going to have a fantastic future together. I have such respect for China, the job you've done. You're a great leader. I say it to everybody. You're a great leader. Sometimes people don't like me saying it, but I say it anyway because it's true. I only say the truth. And I just want to say, on behalf of all of the great delegation that we have the greatest businessmen, the biggest, I guess the best in the world. We have amazing people, and they're all with me. Every single one of them. We asked the top 30 in the world, every single one of them said yes. And I didn't want the second or the third in the company. I wanted only the top. And they're here today to pay respects to you and to China. And they look forward to trade and doing business, and it's going to be totally reciprocal on our behalf. So I really look very much forward to our discussion. It's a big discussion. There are those that say this is maybe the biggest summit ever. I can never remember anything like it. I can say in the United States, it's people. But it's an honor to be with you. It's an honor to be your friend. And the relationship between China and the USA is going to be better than ever before. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you, press. Thank you, press.
Thank you, press.
Not over this, just in general, Patrick. Is my audio like generally? Okay, let's turn off the pump here. Is my audio fine or? Let me know. Yeah, this live feed's not working. I'm turning that off. All right, let's talk about audio. Patrick, Lone Wolf, let me know. Because you guys are OGs. Let me know. Is the audio fine or do I need to figure something out? Because Golden Fi's giving me some directions here. Look under settings, sound settings. Patrick, a little quiet by you. Basically, we hear your burps every time you hide it. Come on, bro. Oh, look at that pump. Look at that pump. Look at this pump. Okay, so Patrick agrees. It is a little quiet. Oh, okay. Well, I gotta figure that out. That's my bad. Look at oil. What a dump. What a dump. Patrick, a little quiet in a Canadian way. Basically, we hear your burps. So my burps are louder than my voice. That's no bueno. I try to mute it when it's burp time. But I guess okay, look at that. Oh, retracement. Alright, we're gonna add one more. I don't have a real good setup. I just started streaming a month ago, so give me a break here. Give me some suggestions. Maybe I gotta buy more equipment or adjust some settings or something. But I appreciate that, Golden Fi. You called it out. Patrick confirmed. So audio is definitely low. We got the 9-day curving up. What a move, though. Huge volume. Came out of nowhere. And this Trump meeting with Xi is just horrible. They're cutting off video and everything. Patrick, yeah, just trying to be helpful. Yeah, Golden Fi, yeah, man, you're being very helpful. I really appreciate that. And Patrick talking about my burps, like, come on, bro. Patrick, set up a Rumble channel too and Twitch. Bruh, I don't even know what that means. I know Twitch. I don't even know what wrong. No, I know. Actually, you know. Oh, no, I get it. Oh, no, no. I get it. I don't know if I have the bandwidth, bro. Golden Fi was long, but got stopped out. On the quick down before the big spike. No doubt, man. I'm long right now. 2 on an XFA. We're going to go all in. I think I can do like 50 contracts. But I only got a drawdown of like 4,000. 4,500, I think. But okay, so I have to improve the audio. I don't like talking too loud. I mean, I got kids and a wife. Start talking too loud, they're gonna be like, oh, what's going on here? Alright, let's see if this plays out. But, like, what's going on with the Trump situation? They're having a meeting, but they're not giving a good stream here. What's up with that? What's up with that? That's ridiculous. Come on, let's see, get a pump up here. Let's break through VWAP. All-time highs. Let's see 30,000. Come on. I'm adding more to the long side. I want to see a pump. Pump it. I want to see 30,000, buddy. Right now. Alibaba, Tencent, ByteDance, among firms approved by the U.S. There you go. But those aren't even the S&P and NASDAQ. Shouldn't affect this market. Should we go all in Chinese market? Ouch. But golden 5, buddy. I appreciate the feedback. And Patrick knows we're Canadian. We don't talk too loud. Come on, let's get a move up here. Push it. Looking for a push right now. Golden 5's Canadian too. That way you should know, bro. Is the audio better now? I'm moving the mic closer to my mouth. I don't know. Patrick, I'm an anchor baby from a Manitobian. Patrick, you're from Manitoba, bro? Come on. Alright, we got the 9-day pushing up hard. You know what? I'm going to add a little bit more. I'm looking for a breakout of the VWAP. Let's push this VWAP up. Let's go. Come on. See, when I move the micro close to my mouth, the microphone close to my mouth is it's in my ears. All I hear is breathing and burps. Patrick's from Boston. Oh yeah, Boston, mate. From Boston. I can't even do a Boston accent. But your dad's from Manitoba. Nice. Alright, let's see if we get a push up here. We're gonna rejection on the VWAP. I think I might just get out here. Alright, we're gonna get out. Alright, let's get back in. 9 days kinda curling up. Let's go. Let's pump it. Come on. Let's see 30,000 today. And I got one sub today. Come on. That's brutal. Help a brother out, man. Come on. Spread the word. I'm risking money here. Come on. Patrick, better than no subs. No doubt. I'm trying to get 200, man. I'm trying to pay you guys. 200 subs? I'll give out cash. If it happens today. You know what? You know what? F that. We're getting rid of that. I can afford it. Alright, looks like we're gonna push back. Let's get out of that trade. But Patrick, agreed. No subs. Hey, one sub is better than no sub. And Golden Fi, audio sucks. We need at least 1,000 subs for me to upgrade my audio, bro. Come on. Lone Wolf, where are you at? Where's Lone Wolf at? That's where I want to know. Alright, we're going long again. I'm not seeing clearly right now. I think I might just call it a night. Oh, man. Patrick, go on Twitch. Man, I gotta figure that stuff out. Alright, if this trade doesn't work out, stream's over. We're out. I want to see a push up right now. Push it. Push. Say it in Chinese and it'll work. Alright, let's try it. Too dong. Too dong. Too dong. Dude, it's actually working. Alright, we're out. That actually worked. Too dong. That's how you say push. Chinese. Chinese simplified. Too dong. That's hilarious. Well, Patrick, you called it. We're going to call it. There's 11 people watching. Oh man, I'm so pushing. Oh God. Alright, we're good again. 11 people watching right now. How about this? 12 people watching right now. If we can get up to 180 subscribers, we're gonna keep this stream going. Otherwise, I'm out. Alright. Yeah. Alright. I'm out of that trade. Stop at 33 bucks. Alright. Let's see if we can get 9 subscribers. Help a brother out. Come on. I know Patrick's a homie. Patrick, if you yell it with some passion, it'll work much better. All right, let's go. Come on. Let's go. Pump it. I'm going to add one more. Two dong is the Asian market. All right, looks like I'm going to get stopped out here. Oh, yeah, look at that. Look at that dump. Beautiful. That's all right, though. Yeah. You win some, you lose some. All right. We're going to leave this trade open. But Patrick, I love you, brother. Golden Fi, appreciate your feedback. Lone Wolf, you're a homie. Miranda came in. Yeah, whatever. $11 people watching now. If you can put it into the, if you can, 11 people watching. Subscribe. And we're good. We can do a giveaway right now. Alright, I'll give it 5 minutes. In the next 5 minutes, if we can get up to, what are we at here? 172. If you can get up to 190 subscribers, I'll give 200 bucks. Cash. Trying to sell some cash right now. That's not going to work out. Alright, we're going to call it a stream. Appreciate everyone coming by. Love y'all. Patrick. Golden Fi. Appreciate the audio feedback. Patrick's a homie. That's why he's blue. Lone Wolf. Appreciate you. Let's go. Miranda came in. Algorithmic Trading Solutions. The homie came in. Love all y'all. Good night. I'm out. It's 11 p.m. where I am. So we gonna sleep tonight. On the wife. Love everybody. Make some money. Don't lose it. And good night. Stop. Stopping the stream now.